portion for you to study. Okay. Okay. Chapter 10, gravitation. Gravitation page. So you don't have full chapter because some of the portions are deleted for you. So only those portions only you have to study. That is from chapter page number 1. What happened? Why it is not writing? What happened to this board? It's stuck. Page 131 to page 131 to page number 138. So that is for from chapter 10, page number 131 to 132. That means thrust and pressure is not there. So thrust and pressure is not there. So page number 138. And another one, chapter 11, the chapter which we are taking now, that is work. Work and energy. Okay. Work and energy. There also you don't have to study full chapter. Page number, 1 minute. Page number, let me check. Let me give you the page number. Page number 146. Page number 146 to page number 152. Okay, only that. Page number 131, 138 and page number 146 to 148. Clear? So these are the portions you have to study. Okay, so last class we are just discuss about it.
And we want to study this set now. That's for this exam. 138.
Okay, so last class, this studio. Okay, last class we have studied about, only we started kinetic energy. I remember we have only started kinetic energy, correct? So can you, anyone can just read from your note? Yes, Isha. Isha, yes, these are the portions for MCQ. Okay, yes. So full chapter is not there. Chapter 11, full chapter is not there for MCQ 3. Clear? Okay.
Can you show that again?
Okay. And I hope all of you send your project to your corresponding teacher, Rosmi ma'am. Okay. So those who sent for me, Isha, you have sent for me, but you just forward that once again to Rosmi miss.
Biology.
Through WhatsApp.
Biology.
Through WhatsApp, she must have given you email. Did she give you email? If she give you mail,
Geography.
Geography, I don't know. Physics, we teachers, means science, we decided. Social studies, you have to ask your social studies ma'am. At present, who is teaching you? Ask her. Okay. Needu ma'am is left, no? So,
What is the topic? Topic of physics. In
Physics.
group told.
Air pollution. I have already explained to you long back. Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, to which ma'am?
Pardon?
Ma'am, to which ma'am you have to submit?
You have to submit Rosmi ma'am, your chemistry teacher, no? New chemistry teacher
Okay,
to
ma'am.
her. Okay. So if she give you mail, you give to mail, otherwise send in the WhatsApp to her. Okay, Rosmi. Hmm? Yeah.
Okay.
So anyone who has sent me, Isha has sent for me and one or two students, I think so. You can just forward that message to her mail. If she has not given the mail, ask her.
Have any,
I
have
have
any
already
date?
I have already informed her to send you mail. So if she forgets, you informed her, ask her, call her,
Have any
ask
last
her.
date?
Huh?
Have any last? Any of the last date?
Last date is on Thursday, this Thursday, December 10th. Because I have given you
Okay.
November I have given that. So please complete it. Ask your friends what they have done. So air pollution in Himachal Pradesh, it is a PPT. No writing, I want PPT. PPT means that's
I'm only photo now.
for only photo. No, you should write some this. What is air pollution? What are the causes of air pollution? Then how can we prevent? I have given the guidelines early. And then at the end of that, you have to give me a survey picture of air pollution in Himachal Pradesh and air pollution in Kerala. So many of the 9C students and everyone has sent for me because I am collecting from 9C. If you go to internet, you will get all these things. You just type the correct keywords. Okay. What is the rate of air pollution in Himachal Pradesh in a year? Then you will get a information regarding that. You just read it and cut the correct one and then you paste it in your PPT. Okay. And don't, you may also will get a ready-made PPTs, but I don't want ready-made PPTs here. Your cover page, you should change the cover page of the ready-made PPTs. You should show some of your creativity in that because it's an art integrated project. It is not necessary that you copy everything from that.
Back boundary only.
Huh?
Boundary. Boundary we can do that in PPT.
PPT, yeah, boundary you can do. You can take the color.
We need how many pages?
And
Uh,
how
I said minimum I want six slides. 6 slides only minimum. You can send more than that. But 6 slides. It should not be less than 6 slides. That is the rate. Okay. So if you see some things in your in the internet, don't copy exact everything like that. You make it your own little bit modification there. Because it's art integrated, you have to show your little bit your creativity. So you can change the color, you can change the picture format, you can get another new pictures in the internet. So many things you can do with the PPT. Clear? So how the way teachers are presenting to you, some important points on the slide, picture. So like that it should be. Okay. Don't give me 20 slide. It is not necessary 20 slide and all. Minimum 6 to 10 up to that, depending upon your own creativity. Clear? So please hurry up. Today 7th. This I have given you in the month of November. And after 10th, we don't want you to spend your time for your project because I want you to study for your coming exam. And also I need to complete the portion. So you don't have to give your attention to other things. Only you study. Okay. Because month of January, we are coming for revision exam. We don't have much days. Month of January, our revision exam starts. You have 2 revision exams. Okay. So remember that. Clear? Okay. Okay, children. So last class, because we are losing the time, I just continue. Last class, we studied about work. And I'm just repeating because you must be forgotten. After so many days, we are meeting. So first, anyone remember what is work? Can you tell me anyone who remembers? What do you mean by work? Ah.
saying that we will and we will work.
We will work.
Do the things.
We move the things. Yeah. Whenever you apply a particular force, what will happen? When you apply a particular force, there will be a change in displacement. And we have studied that if the object is moving in the same direction of the force, then it will be positive work done. Suppose object is moving in the opposite direction of the force, then we call it as it is the negative work done. And if there is no movement, then we call it as no work done. Clear? So these are the things work is said to be done when a force acts on an object. The object is displaced in the direction of the force. This is the equation. Work done is equal to F into S, and SI unit is joule. Then afterwards we came to know what do you mean by 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. We can also write the unit of work done Newton meter, because work done is equal to force into displacement. So you can write unit of force is Newton, unit of displacement is meter. Clear? Okay. Then we have learned another equation. Suppose if we are doing a work. Suppose we are doing a work at an angle like this. You can look at this lady. She is carrying the luggage. She is pulling the luggage, but it is in a slanting. Position. Therefore, it is making an angle. In mathematics, we call for that angle theta. That is theta, like this Q. Like this Q. If you write like this, it becomes theta. And mainly, theta, what we are using is mainly 3 angles in our work done: 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Okay. The lady she is handling is not at 0, not at 180 degree, not at 30 degree. It may be something around 30 or 60. Clear? So in that case, what you do? We substitute the value of, if it is 0 degree, you substitute force into. That means suppose the force is 10 Newton. Displacement is 5. Suppose theta is equal to 0 degree. Then our work done will be 10 into 1 into 5. Because the value of cos 0 is degree. Then you will get 50 Newton meter or joule. So this is we have already studied. Clear? So I am just revising it. Now what do you mean by cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree means, suppose this lady is carrying the luggage straight. Instead of like this, suppose this is our luggage. And she is pulling like this. Then you can see this is make an angle 90 degree. Then in that case, what is our theta? 0. Now cos 90 0 means you will get the answer is 0. So that means work done is 0. And these are the different situations I showed you. Look at this man. He is a weightlifter. At present, this is 0 degree, because 0 degree means he is not raising at all. He is just holding it. Okay. Now, slowly he raising it up, and now he is rising it up fully. So this is at 90 degree, you can say. The movement of that person is, his hand is moving straight. That means yes.
Air pollution.
Fizan. Fizan, your audio is cracking, Fizan. Audio is cracking. I can hear.
That that activity we want to send to
Rosmi miss, chemistry miss, not to me, Rosmi. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Do you all know my name?
So
at
we
least.
can send in ma'ams.
Do you all know my name?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Because some parent teachers meeting, one parent commented, I don't know from which class. They told, we don't know physics ma'am's name. The parent told. Okay. That's what I'm telling you. Rosmi. Chemistry miss is Rosmi. I am Dixie. Okay. If anyone don't know, you may be knowing, because during annual day we know through Remma miss and no. But 9A students, I think they don't know my name. Some of them. I think so. I don't know. Okay. So Fizan, you send it to chemistry ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we continue? Yes. So this is what I told you. At this point, he is not rising the lift. But now you look at, this one is raised at a 90 degree. So, yes.
Which WhatsApp we need to send?
You have to, either you ask Rosmi Miss whether she will send the mail to you. Otherwise, send in Rosmi Miss WhatsApp number.
Okay. Not
Okay.
to ma'am.
Not to me, not to me. Okay.
Okay.
Because I am collecting 9C, Divya ma'am collecting 9A and 9B collected by Rosmi miss. Because one project, one project for all the subjects. So that's why. So if I collect everyone's, it will be too much for me to check and all that. So we divided each division to each teacher. Your class, Rosmi miss. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Thank you. So shall we go to next one? That is, we have already completed. I'm not going for much detail. You get confused. This is all repeated only. So I already told you. Now we come to energy. The last, for your MCQ, this portion is there. Okay. Energy is the capacity to do work up to page number 152. You may be study about potential energy, but that is not there. So kinetic energy is there for you to study. Okay. Kinetic energy is there for you to study. So then afterwards we came to know energy is the capacity to do work. So what we can say, energy and the work done, both are equal. Okay. And what do you mean by energy? You have already told me various forms of energy we have. Okay. So for your exam MCQ, we only study about kinetic energy and work done. You don't have to study about potential energy. Okay. I may take the class, but you have to study up to kinetic energy, work done and kinetic energy. Clear? This you will not study for the MCQ. Clear? Okay, let us now see what do you mean by kinetic energy. Already we have learned a body which is in motion have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means suppose you are moving or you are running. So what happened? Your body has a muscular energy because of the food you eat. You have muscular energy. Then what happened? When you run, when you walk, when you do work, this muscular energy converted into kinetic energy. So what do you mean by kinetic energy? A form of energy that a body in motion process. Okay, a body in motion possesses. So that energy is known as kinetic energy. Now you are sitting in a particular place. You are not moving. Your hand may be writing, but you are not moving. Okay. So since you are not moving, that time what your body has potential energy. Kinetic energy means when you move, you have kinetic energy. When you don't move, then you will have a potential energy. So at present, we will study what is kinetic energy. So a form of energy that a body in motion possesses is known as kinetic energy. For example, you can write so many things: playing football, playing cricket, running, walking, okay, writing, pushing, pulling. All these things have a kinetic energy. Now we are moving on to factors affecting kinetic energy. Next thing, factors affecting kinetic energy. So mainly we have two factors which is affect kinetic energy. The first factor, you have mass. Mass of the object. Mass of the object is known as one first factor. What do you mean by it? As mass increases, as mass increases, as mass increases, kinetic energy also increases. As mass increases, kinetic energy also increases. Or we can say mass is directly proportional to kinetic energy. We can say mass is directly proportional to kinetic energy. That's the first factor. That is, heavier object will have more kinetic energy or more energy in motion. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the second factor? Second factor we have velocity of moving object. velocity of moving object. That is the second factor which is affecting. That means as velocity increases, that is velocity means speed. As velocity increases, kinetic energy also increases. So the person who is running faster will have maximum kinetic energy, and those type of people will won the race. You know it. In a running race, the person who has maximum speed, he will won the race, and that means he has got a maximum kinetic energy. Okay, that means now connecting both the quantities, you are going to get an equation. From these two factors, you can calculate. Yes? What is the sound? Some small ones are there? Some sound? Can you mute it? Godwin? Some sound from your house, I think so. Can you mute it, Godwin?
And your voice is breaking.
Mm,
And your voice is breaking.
mm. Okay. Lena has asked you. Lena is here. Lena, where is
Yes,
she?
ma'am.
Lena, you have to write, okay? You
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to make one more slide because our, according to CBSE, we have to connect with the Himachal Pradesh, whatever is that. Clear? So you make
Okay, ma'am.
one again slide, and that added with that and send it to ma'am. Okay? Don't send to me, send it to the Rosmi ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So shall we go back? So connecting this two factors, we will get an equation that kinetic energy can be calculated half mv square. Half mv square. So that is a formula to find out the kinetic energy. Half mv square, where m is the mass, v is the velocity. Okay. So work done, Fs, kinetic energy, half mv square. And I already told you that energy is the capacity to do work. Energy is the capacity to do work. That means work done and energy both are same. So work done and energy both are same. So some questions we can also write work done also is equal to energy. Suppose it is kinetic energy, you will write kinetic energy. Suppose it's a light energy, you will write it light energy. Okay. So when the bulb is lighting, instead of kinetic energy, what we have? Light energy. When you iron the box, when we iron the clothes, what you have? When you iron the clothes, you have heat energy. So heat energy behave like a kinetic energy. Why? Heat is the flow of energy. So heat flow is the kinetic energy. When light is burning, light is flowing. We don't say light is burning, light is burning. That means light is flowing. When you talk about electricity, electric current is a kinetic energy. Why? Because whenever electrons move in an atom, it produces electricity. So in every situations, if any object or particle is in motion, then we can say it is having a kinetic energy. So it depends upon the situations. If you run, if you jump, if you pull, if you push, in all the situation, whatever energy in motion, that we call it as kinetic energy. Okay. So we are getting an equation. How you get the relation between kinetic energy and the work done? So all of you write the next heading, relation between work done and kinetic energy. If you look at the slide, you will see what I have written. Relation between work energy and work done. Okay. So you can write down the kinetic of an object of mass m and speed. Let the kinetic energy of an object of mass m and speed v. Then you can write, if E is equal to work done is equal to F into S. Work done is equal to F into S. Then don't write this now. After writing this, you have to write this. By Newton's second law. Anyone remember that equation? By Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Do you remember that? So after writing, you remember? Okay. So if E is equal to W and W is equal to F into S, then you should write after that you write by Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Then
if E is equal to if E is equal to W and W is equal to F into S.
That you write. After that you write this. After writing the first line, write this, what I have written on the board. Okay? Then after writing that, you write the second line which is given there. What I have given, F into S is equal to what we have done. By Newton's second law, you know what is force, correct? So that ma you are substituting in this equation. That is what we got. F into S is equal to ma into half at square. Into half at square. And after that you write the third line, that is half m into at all square. How you are getting half m into at square? Here one a is here. Here there is one a. So total you are getting half m into at square. Then what you have to write? After that you write, we have, since v is equal to at. From where you getting v is equal to at? Because in motion chapter you have learned acceleration is equal to velocity by time. Therefore, velocity is equal to at. So that is why this equation is come. V is equal to at. How V is equal to at? From this equation we have learned motion chapter. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. Since we have got only one velocity, you can write it out, V by t. Now what is V? V is cross multiply A into t. Now what is the last step? Here there is at square is there. So instead of at, we are substituting V over there. And finally we are getting equation kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. I hope you understood this derivation. This is show you relation of kinetic energy and work done. First you have to write, let the kinetic energy of an object of mass m and speed v. Then if E is equal to work done and work done is equal to F into S, then by Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Therefore, Fs is equal to ma into S means half at square. That means half m into at all square. And you already know that acceleration is equal to v by t. Therefore, V is equal to 80. Therefore, our equation is going to be half mv square. So, work done equation now converted into kinetic energy equation. Clear? Thus, we can conclude, thus, last sentence, thus, work done is equal to kinetic energy. So this is how we have written the relation. Work done is equal to kinetic energy, that is equal to Fs, that is also is equal to half mv square. Okay, half Fs mv square. Work done is equal to kinetic energy, that is equal to half mv. Okay, can I change? Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah. Now, what I wanted, I am going to take a attendance for you. By the time, I want you to copy this first question. Find the kinetic energy of a body with a mass of 10 kg and a speed. Write the question. We have to find out kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Mass is given 10. Half into 10 into speed is given 10 meter per second. So 10 square, and you are getting final answer 500 joule. So you just copy by the time I take the attendance. Copy that first question and what I have written on the board. The students, Rudra, now she is 8B, Rudra 8, okay. Aaron Joss present, okay. Today date is 07. Aaron John present. Agna Ando. Fisa.
I can the present, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I didn't see you. Alisha present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anaj. Anaj only photo I saw. Angela Susan is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashna. Ashna, I saw her in the beginning. I think she is
Ma'am,
there.
present.
Present. Okay. Alisha. Okay. Godwin
Ma'am,
was.
I just present.
Okay, okay, okay. Christoph. What about Delvin did not come, no? Delvin is absent, I think so. Delvin is not there, no? Okay. Ilana is there. Isha was there. Iva is
Ma'am,
there?
present.
Okay, okay. Shifana is present. Shifana? No, Shifana is not there. Fisan present. Krishna Chowdhury.
Nabil is present.
Who is?
Nabil.
Okay, okay. Fisan present. Krishna Chowdhury absent. Maria present. Meghna absent, I think so.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Why it is not shown in that paper? I'm checking participants. I didn't see your name. Nihal, Mohammad Nihal,
Present, ma'am.
Nasil,
Ma'am.
Nabil. I saw her in the beginning.
Problems we do now.
Okay. Navaneet was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Nasrin is there. Nasrin. No.
And this problem we done.
Because I can see, but your name is not given. So, Angelo, Navaneeth, Rachel, Boban. Okay.
And this problem was done that day.
Those who finish, please write the second question. How much energy is required to accelerate 1000 kg car from rest to 30 meter? You can do by yourself.
Ma'am, that we multiply that only get 500.
The
And
first,
500 we get that up to that multiply then.
after 500 joules, second question is this. How much energy is required? Copy that also. Those who finish.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Noble. Raya, present. Rohan, Roland, Roshan.
Rohan present.
Rohan present. Okay, Vishnu was there. Vishnu Saji.
Present.
Okay. Sweta VP, not present. Okay. I'm just calling out, these are the absentees, what I got it from this. Delvin, Krishna Chowdhury, Nazreen, Noble. Noble is present? No. Noble, then Sweta. Others all present. Can you copy the second question, children? How much energy is required to accelerate a 1000 kg car from rest to 30 meter per second? You can do by yourself. Mass is given to you.
Ma'am, we done that first problem. That like no.
Like that only. Half mv square. Half into 1000.
Speed 30 now.
Speed 30. That is 30 square. Okay. So 1002, if you cancel, you will get 500. So you have to just multiply 500 into 30 into 30. You will get the answer. Okay. You do it. We will see next class. Okay. Do as a homework. And yesterday I sent some of the problems from this chapter. Please copy it in the ruled sheets. Okay. And next class when you come, we will discuss. Okay. Yeah. So I'm winding up the session. I hope you must have got the answer. 45 something will come. Okay.